Good afternoon, everybody. I am Dr. Sage Wolfe, and I am out here in Duluth, Minnesota. I am just training one of our master practitioners, Dana Billings, and another master practitioner, Serena Foxon, who teaches our pelvic restoration course. And then I have two New World practitioners out here already who are taking the course just to kind of critique their tools, learn new techniques, kind of see where they're going wrong and they're not getting things right, and we can always sharpen our edges a little bit more. And so what Wolfe Non Surgical is, it deals with scar tissue, crystallization, and calcification. If you see the other Dr. Wolfe on here sometimes talking about when you get old, you get kind of like stiff like a board, you get beef jerky scar tissue. Beef jerky scar tissue would be the proper way to call it is adipose tissue. You don't hydrate well enough, we don't get the proper nutrients in, we don't use it, you're going to lose it. So then that tissue starts to thin out, it starts to bind, it starts to attach itself and shorten tendons and ligaments, causing retraction. And that's going to cause irritation from anything from scoliosis, carpal tunnel syndrome, frozen shoulders, endometriosis, fibromyalgia. It doesn't matter. It's a scar tissue issue. And so what I do is I train these amazing practitioners how to go in lovingly and pull that scar tissue apart. And so I'm out here just getting these practitioners a little bit more tuned up on their technique and getting them ready to deal with like maybe a little bit more severe clients, because at the beginning you just kind of want to teach people that they can have more mobility, they can feel more free, and then as you progress and as you learn and as you grow as a practitioner, you can start dealing with the more severe cases. So that's what I'm doing out here right now. We're just on lunch. I'm going to have Serena and Dana do a little one a day so they can kind of give you a little their thoughts on how this week is going. But check out BraveHeartNation.com, guys. I'm going to be in Toronto in the upcoming week. I'll be doing some treatments out there while the Whole Life Coach is going on. So if you'd like to experience Wolfe Non Surgical, you can book in with us. You could either give our office a call or give my phone number a call, which is 250-801-5673. If you don't reach me, please send me a text saying that you're interested in getting some treatments out there. If you're wanting to get trained, you and your family members want to learn how to hone a technique so you guys can live pain-free. You guys want to do it for yourself, just to learn something awesome. You're doing it for a family member, you're doing it for a friend, you're doing it for your significant other. It doesn't matter. If you want to kind of bring your healing and health to the next level, I recommend coming out and taking our course. So go to BraveHeartNation.com. We host courses all around the world. If you didn't want to come to one of our main courses, you can have me come out personally and I'll do a personal treatment and training or a personal course training for you, your family, whatever. It doesn't matter. We can work it out. Just give us a call. I'm just hopping on here really quick during lunch so I can just say hey to everybody. Hope you're all having a beautiful day. Keep at the great work, and just know, have the best day of your life until tomorrow. Bye for now.